Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best digital meat thermometers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ENZOO wireless meat thermometer for grilling. Using this product, it would be possible for you to cook food perfectly. It would be taking the reading in 1 to 3 seconds. The storage case would allow you to carry it with ease. Using this product, it would be possible to know when the meat is ready. If you are a beginner, this product might be interesting for you. It is a good idea to do thorough research before you go for the final purchase. Using this product, it would be possible for you to know when your food is ready. Make sure you check the product details for knowing about the various features and specifications. Moving on at number 4, we have the new Meter Plus 165 feet long-range smart wireless meat thermometer. This particular product would be suitable for your outdoor cooking and is designed keeping in view the modern means of technology. The cooking process might become a lot more interesting and easy when you are using this particular product. It is available with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi digital connectivity. This is a smart meat thermometer that can help you monitor the cooking. Plus, you would be able to know how long to cook the food. Using this product, you would be able to manage your time as well. Make sure you are aware of the relevant features and specifications before the final purchase. At number 3, we have the ThermoPro TP18 Ultra Fast Thermocouple Digital. Using this product, it would be possible for you to get accurate and ultra-fast readings. The backlit display is large that would allow you to read the results easily. Storing it would be an easy task and it would be convenient for you as well. Using this product, you would be able to get results in 2 to 3 seconds. The magnetic back would allow you to place it on the fridge, or you can also use it on the kitchen hook. Through accurate readings, you would be able to get relevant information about the cooking process. It would be suitable for barbecue, meat, candy, and so much more. At number 2, we have the ThermoPro TP01A Instant Read Meat Thermometer. This particular meat thermometer can help you get fast and accurate readings. Using this product, it would be possible for you to get the results in 4 to 6 seconds. Using it would be easy for you, plus, it offers you a wide variety of uses. This product offers a wide temperature range. When you plan on buying such products but do not understand the technical jargon, it is always better that you check the customer reviews to see what other people are saying about the performance and durability. It would be easy for you to understand whether the product is as per your requirements or not. And finally at number 1, we have the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. This particular meat thermometer is suitable for grill and cooking. Using this product, the cooking process might become a lot more interesting for you. It is designed to be waterproof and using it would be easy for you. You would be able to get the readings in 2 to 3 seconds when you are using this product. If you are running out of gift ideas, you can even give it as a gift to someone. You need not go through the hassle of placing it safely and especially somewhere, as you can simply stick it on your fridge or on your grill, and this way it would be handy to use when you want. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.